So I'm telling you, this is probably the busiest I've seen this street. I've seen some big parties here and all that before, so it's not the first time there's been a big party here. And in 2020, the whole street was closed up for like, man, maybe 2 years. The street was closed up for a long, long time because, 2020, everything shut down. But of course, everything's up and running now. And yeah, it's such a great time here today. Such a good party. And yeah, they got like a DJ over there or something. So they're playing the Mexican tracks. That's what us DJs call music, tracks. We call them tracks. I don't know. We don't really call them songs. Maybe sometimes. But tracks, DJ song is a track. Basically. But yeah, we can't go in there. There's like security and all that. I don't want to like raise a fuss with a camera and all that kind of stuff. I'm not trying to smuggle myself into anywhere today. And the weather's amazing out here. So it's pretty cool to just chill out here anyway, you know what I mean? Definitely good times, no doubt. So I think, yeah, this is, has anybody ever been to the Fat Cactus? Have you been to the Fat Cactus before? Do you know what this place is like? Okay, they got the salsa rocking right now. A lot of salsa dancing gonna happen. Let's see what's going on over here. All right, I gotta talk over the music, like I said, everyone. That's just part of the game, Got some salsa. There we go, salsa. There's some good dancers out there, you can see. They're ready rocking, ready to go, ready to roll. Let me get a little clear shot of everything. All right, there we go. Salsa. Let's go. All right, rocking out. Oh, it's somebody's birthday. Happy birthday. Whoever's birthday it is, yeah. Happy birthday, woo. All right, yeah, cool, very cool. We got live singers, that's awesome. Gotta love that, that's awesome. Yeah, great weather. Good times today. Happy birthday! All right. Super cool. Awesome. All right. Yeah, what a good day today. What a great day. Great day today. I got the microphone in hand, everyone. That's how you have to roll today. That's how we have to roll today. That's how we have to roll today. Microphone in hand. Wow, look at the line to get in. Wow. I can't believe it's a Tuesday. It feels like a Saturday. I'm telling you, this does not feel like a Tuesday today. Wow. Pretty awesome. So awesome. So yeah, this is a good party, no doubt. Good times. Let's see what's going on over here. All right, yeah, I have to talk into the microphone because we got copyright music going on. You know what I'm saying? Creator kryptonite. That's what I always call it. But yeah, they got some grub right there. Smells good. Smells like Mexican food. You know what I mean? It's good. Smells like maybe some. I smell some fajitas or something. Yeah. Oh yeah. They're cooking it up over there. This is a good party today. Let's take a stroll on this side right now. Let's see what's going on over here. Oh yeah, I don't know the name of this place, the name of this actual party, but the Fat Cactus is right here. So yo, this might be the new spot for Central New Jersey. It used to be the Cinco de Mayo, and it still might be, but this is a great party right here. Having a good old time, right? Nice, awesome. So let's take a peek in here. All right, yeah. Good times, no doubt. All right. A lot of people here. Lot of people. Fat Cactus into his house. Fat Cactus into his house. All right. Oh yeah. What? They got everything here. This is the best spot. The best spot to be right now. Best place right here that I know of in New Jersey. I don't know. If you go north, there might be some more stuff, but as far as here, this is the best place in New Jersey to be at right now. No doubt. I don't know. It's awesome. A lot of fun. Yeah, I have to talk, everyone. Talk. That's how we roll. I don't want to mute anything. If I don't have to put music over the video, that's good too. So I don't know how this is going to come out. I've never actually just rambled on the microphone. So let's see. Some people in the hair spot right here. Cool. All right, let's go up here. Let's go. Good times. All right. Salsa. Got some salsa going on over there. Salsa dancers. Getting down. Everybody getting down. Everybody getting down. Awesome. Everybody getting down. Super cool. Awesome. Everybody vlogging today. Everybody out vlogging today. Good stuff. All right. Okay, so let's go over this way right now. Let's go. Oh yeah, good times. It's great that we have awesome weather today, so the timing was nice on the weather, for sure. It couldn't have been better weather today. 80 degrees, you can't beat that. For me, 80 degrees is really the best. 80 degrees is the best temperature. The best temperature is 80 degrees, that's my opinion. So what game is this right here? This is the throw it in the. I've seen this game before, but I don't know what the game is. So I'm not really sure what the game is. But that's cool. Cool game, I guess. Throw it in the hole. Throw the thing in the beanie in the hole, whatever. I don't know what it's called. We got some hats over here. Oh, the Tiddlywinks. Oh, yeah. Oh, Connect 4 right there. That's what that is. Like Connect 4, yeah. Awesome stuff right there. So they got some games. Really cool. All right, let's stroll over here a little bit. So yeah, this is where everybody's at today. Good times. Wow, there's some line to get in here. Wow, long line. It looks like it on this side over here. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. Good times today. Good times. Good times. And they got the band over here. A lot of people in the Fat Cactus today. Wow. This place is packed. Yeah, man, this place is packed. Got a lot of vloggers here today. Super cool. Super cool. Good times. I'm not going to go in there. We don't really have to go in there today. There's a lot of camera work going on everywhere. Wow. A lot of camera work everywhere going on. Wow. Wow. Okay, we got a nice view of everything over here. I'm going to talk over everything, like I said. I have to. But, yeah. All right. Good time. These guys are good. It's a good group right there. Good group. Good singers, good music, everything. Nice. Very nice. Cinco de Mayo in his house. 2026. 2026. Cinco de Mayo. Let's go. Cinco de Mayo. Let's take a stroll down here, see if anything's going on down this way. Wow, a lot of fun today, New Brunswick. Alrighty. All right, let's go. Let's see what's cracking down here. All right. So yeah, wow, good fun. So they got the road closed over there, but not over here. So the road actually, it ends right there. It's closed right there, so you can't go past that part. Pretty wild. So there's a lot of people out and about today. Honestly, it's such great weather. The weather's just amazing. Unbelievable weather today. So got a lot going on today. All right, let's go. Let's stroll down this way.
Sometimes.
All right. Let's go. Yeah, this is where I actually made my first video. Walking video was on this street. So this is kind of the monumental start of it. A good while ago. All right. Let's go this way.
To just not get it for a little bit.
Wow, such a great party there. Wow. A lot of people there. Let's take a walk down here. And yeah. All here in New Brunswick. New Brunswick, New Jersey.
New Brunswick, New Jersey, in his house. Let's go. Yeah, 80 degrees. I'll take it. This is 80 degrees today. About 80 degrees right now. It was 82 last time I looked. Amazing. I'll take it all year round. No humidity, 80 degrees. I'll take that all year round. So let's head down here to the Cinco de Mayo party. And I'm gonna have to ramble on the microphone because we have music, and you know how it is on YouTube or whatever. It's creator kryptonite. That's what I call it, creator kryptonite. So let's take a stroll.
It's very easy to just not be problematic. I say dumb things. I'm not trying to offend anyone. Or like, you know.
And I feel like there are so many times where